Happy Sunday, everyone. I would show Jay. I'm going to have to figure out how to include him in on my video. He has no shirt on and a do-raggy like he's a gangster and playing Tetris.
Don't judge me.
All the signs that a woman doesn't love, but, I love him, so.
Yeah.
Let's see. Where's your big head? Let me see. There we go. Without showing all your good. Say hey. He's in a Tetris tournament. Yeah, how old is he? Anyways,
Old enough.
Old enough. Anyways, hey you guys. So it's been a long time. I haven't updated you guys. You guys see little spurts of information on my Facebook, but not the full in-depth information. A lot of you guys have been asking, am I cancer free? Am I in remission? Have I had radiation? Am I eating right? Am I that? Yeah, it's just been a lot, you guys. So you guys already know that I've had surgeries upon surgery. I just had my fourth one in December, so December 19th, and I was just in time. Was able to get out of jail. Well, out of the hospital. Out of the hospital in time for Christmas. That was such a blessing. My God, you guys. Like, I thought I was gonna be stuck there. So I did have a fourth surgery. Come to find out, to briefly, whoever didn't know, I had found out, so the reason why I had the fourth surgery is because the Integra, which was the wound vac that I think I showed you guys.
Yep.
Yeah, I did, right? Because we talked about the shark skin and all that. So the wound vac that I had on, we had found out that I didn't need that.
Either time.
Either time. The two times that the surgeon put it on there, I'm not going to put his name out there, but remember when I tell you guys you got to research these surgeons. You got to do your due diligence. Just because one doctor says that he's great doesn't mean that he's always great. He may be great what he do, but the bedside manner sucked. This guy didn't listen to me. The wound vac, like when we were look it up, we never found anything about breast cancer patients having a wound vac. So he just slapped this thing on me because he was being too lazy to do a skin graft, right?
So who was the Integra for?
The Integra was for what?
Burn victims.
Burn victims, and I think we had video on that. I can't remember, but it was on burn victims, and yeah, he was supposed to use that on. He's an injury or a wound surgeon, so he had nothing to do with cancer patients as much. You see that blinking? I don't know if anybody else sees it on their side or it's just on my side.
Probably just on their side.
But yeah, so it was supposed to be for burn victims, and I had found this out because Jay had did his research. And then the reason why I had found out that I didn't need both of these things is because I went to radiation, and so I was on a lovely app that cut us off. Jay hates the app. Not sure why, but it is what it is.
Didn't you just start out with saying the app cut you off?
So, moving on. So yes, I went to radiation, like I said, and the Integra, or the wound vac, was lifting up. So they ended up telling me that I need to go get a second wound vac because it had been 5 weeks for that one. So they told me to go get another one. So I went into surgery, got that wound vac, and after that was done, a couple of days after, they wanted to take a look at it so they can see if they need to move forward. Get there, they tell me, so sorry. We're sorry to tell you, but we should have never told you to go get that second wound vac, as it will not work for radiation. Want to make a face?
No.
Yeah, it's not. It wouldn't work for radiation, so it was a complete waste of 2 surgeries and lots of pain. And I can move closer.
Lots of pain.
Lots of pain, and you see all this scarring? It goes all the way around into a huge circle and a big chunk. Yeah, so it was a waste of time. I didn't need those 2 last surgeries before the one that I just had in December. So what I did is I told radiation I need to go on a hunt for a new plastic surgeon. So me doing the research that I did, I found an awesome doctor. I'm not sure if I'm able to disclose his name, but he's amazing. He got me in literally in, a day or 2 after I had consulted with him. And he looked at the wound vac, or the, what do they call it? Yeah, the wound vac. They looked at the wound vac indoor Integra, and he just said, oh, okay. Like, he was just in shock. Like, he was surprised that somebody would even take the time out to put that on a breast cancer patient that would have radiation that needs to be done on them. So, child, like, we got a lot to do as far as whether we're going to proceed with, any legal action. We're not a legal type of people to sue. Like, we've never been that type. I just feel like I've yet to have radiation. It's now going on, 2 months past the radiation date that I was supposed to have, to make sure that no cancer have spread up in here.
It's been about 3 to 4 months since your first original surgery.
That's right. So, no, we don't know if, I know a lot of people were asking if the cancer have spread. They did a CT scan, which isn't as great as a PET scan, like they said. My insurance will not approve the PET scan because it's like $8,000 or more. So at this moment, like, we're just trying to do some other stuff. We did the injections. I'll have to have a different video on why I'm doing the hormone injections to kind of kill off other cancer cells. And so now I should start radiation in maybe about, 8 days from Monday, which is tomorrow. So tomorrow is the fitting of the bolus. I will have to do another video to kind of go in depth and explain that. This whole video was just to kind of give you guys an update of where we are, because I know a lot of you guys have been asking. Yes, I've had 4 lovely surgeries, and I feel so strong. Yeah, you gave a thumbs down. But no, I've been pushing through this. I have a lovely partner here. He's so amazing. So I can't do any of this without God and Him. I'm telling you, like, I've been on my knees. I've been praying. We're back in church now. So we're so excited about that. And he looked at me and he said, "Are you ready to join?" I looked at him and I said, "You know what? I am." Like, we've been searching for a home, a church home, since we left California. And that was 4 years ago. So, yeah. So this pastor at Pilgrim Rest is great. Yeah, because the other pastor, we saw him, when we first moved to Arizona, and he passed away.
Yeah.
He passed away, so we were bummed about that when we were going to go back and join earlier last year, so, or the end of last year, something like that. But yeah, we're in church now, you guys. We're praying. We're staying strong. Our relationship is even getting stronger due to all this, and I just thank you guys for your prayers. And we will keep you posted on radiation and all of that good stuff.
And side note, I've been diagnosed with some stuff, but
yes,
it's not about me.
No, please take the rain off me.
Okay, so I was recently diagnosed with beta thalassemia. It is a form of sickle cell. I have the trait. That's pretty much all I can really say about it. I'm fine. I just have to go to the doctor every so often and get checked on.
Yeah. So. And the crazy part is that they said that it comes from one of the parents.
It's genetics.
It's genetics, but both parents have denied this this diagnosing.
So it came from somewhere.
So it came from somewhere.
I didn't pick it up off the street.
Yeah, no, and from what I've been reading, it could skip. So maybe it skipped from them to him. You'll never know. But yes, he does have it. Yes, we did go get it checked out twice. So it wasn't just, it wasn't just,
I got a second opinion.
Yeah. So this is where we are. But guess what, you guys? We're still...
still praises to the Almighty.
Yeah.
At the end of the day.
Like, everybody's just like, how are you guys able to deal with all of this since 2011? For those that know us... We've been going through parents with strokes, aneurysm, deaths of twins. Like, there's nothing that can stop us. Like, if we continue to pray and continue to push forward and put our everything into God, right? So,
push it to the limit.
But for those that, don't praise the Almighty above, I know you get your strength from somewhere, so keep it up and don't let nothing get you down. Or people. Get rid of toxic people. That's what we learn. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
No new friends. No new friends. No new friends. No.
Oh.
Hell, sometimes no old friends. No old friends.
Alright, we love y'all. This video is longer than what I wanted. I just wanted to give you a brief update. Hopefully you're still watching. Please like, subscribe. You guys, please, you guys share, like Beyonce and Jay-Z fights on the elevators. Y'all share. That's old. Okay, Bow Wow and his woman,
Soldier Boy.
Soldier Boy, and his issues.
I had the biggest comeback in 2018.
Y'all share that. Y'all sharing the Gucci boycotts. Are you serious? Yeah, he's still wearing it. So you guys share all of that. But you guys can't share. I don't even care if it's not this video, but at least the first inspirational video that I gave. Because there are other women out there who have little cysts, and they're not getting it checked out, and they may want to know. So please, I'm begging you, share. Like,
share, and subscribe.
Yes, we love you. Bye.
Peace!
Oh.